How to use Cointiply. In this video, we are going to look at a quick guide to Cointiply crypto faucet and some of its best functions and ways to earn you more coins. But before we start, when you find this video useful, please help me and you like it, share, comment, subscribe and hit a notification button for more video. Thanks for your support. Let's start now. To begin with, get Cointiply in the link below the video in the description area. How to sign up. Once you are on the home page, you will be asked for your email address. Make sure you use a valid email because you will have to open it for your Cointiply account. This is how it will look like. Having provided your email address, you will be taken to another page where they will ask for your first name, password, confirm password and below, you will have to write in the CAPTCHA answer as you see it above. Then agree and click Create your account. Now let's say your account is created. Log in and this is how the dashboard will look like. On the top right corner you'll see your earnings displayed in coins/USD/BTC. Once you get things started, you are also going to earn CointiPoints. How do you get free earnings? Well, there are a number of ways you can get free coins and here they are. 1. Is by Faucet. By rolling 1 to 99,998 you can get 10 to 110 coins from the Faucet. 99,999 gives you the jackpot. Prime numbers pay extra and your loyalty bonus is also added. 2. Is by surveys. With surveys, the highest paying activity in Cointiply, no doubt. Doing surveys requires a little bit of patience because some of them reroute you through different qualifications sites and can be annoying and long. Also take your time, they might kick you out if your answers are too random. Here is a couple of best survey sites. Pollfish, relatively short but still pays good. Theorem Reach, pays you a little amount even if you don't qualify. Survey Time, OK surveys and you sometimes get $1 extra from some surveys via PayPal FE. These three have been good to many people. But, the amount of available surveys depends on the country you are living in, so you should try out all them to find out which ones are for you. 3. Is by PTC ads. By clicking on the ads you will earn coins. This is usually it's something like 7 to 10 coins/ad. But on top the list there can be few ranging from 20 to 40 coins which is much more than other faucet sites pay you for doing this. For me the whole pot has been about 150 to 200 coins and it takes about 10 minutes to click them through. 4. By chatting with others. Cointiply also pays for chatting. Really simple. Couple of nice comments should be enough to qualify for the rain pool. Once the little red dot turns to green you are in and can go doing something else. Note that you can increase your share quite a bit by completing a survey before chatting. You get paid when the raindrop fills up. 5. Is by interest. 6. Is buy pods. So when you have earned enough coins, you have also earned CointiPoints. Go check it out by opening your Cointiply profile. You can use your CointiPoints to buy pods. These pods contain items which you can use to increase your earnings. Most of them are consumable and have different boost percentage and duration. If you are lucky, you get an item with unlimited duration. This really helps to boost your daily earnings. There is also collections of items. By collecting them all, you'll get an extra item reward. And if you wish, you can sell the items for coins. 7. Is buy promos. Another way to make some extra. Follow Cointiply on Twitter, and about once a week you get a promo code. 8. Is buy referrals. And of course there is a referral program. You will get 25% for every Faucet claim your referrals make and 10% of their offer wall earnings. 9. Buy other stuff. Finally, you can also earn by watching videos in some countries, play the multiplying game, complete offers and more. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you, and it may be helpful to your friends, so please help me to share it, comment, subscribe and hit a notification button for more videos. Thanks for your support. And get started with Cointiply. The link is below the video. Thanks so much for watching and for your support once again. See you soon.